Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rahul, and today I am going to make video on how to use this bend back feature in Creo Parametric 5.0. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Click on file, take this new file and select the sheet metal as a subtype and untick this use default template. Click on OK. Make it all the operations in millimeters. Click on OK. And next, here you can observe this is our ribbon. This whole rectangle is ribbon, and some commands are active, some commands are not active, and our today's command is here, bend back. Now this is in inactive phase. So first of all, we have to create one object for performing this bend back, for performing this operation bend back feature and understanding in very well. So first of all, click on this extrude, select this plane, click on sketch view, take this line command, draw it over here like this of any dimension. Click on cursor, click on OK. OK. Sheet is generated with thickness of 1 mm. From here you can change thickness. I would like to make 5 mm and press enter. Now this sheet is of 5 mm thickness. From here you can extrude on same side. Click on this green tick mark. OK. Now click on this unbend. Now this unbend feature is created by system by taking this surface as a reference. If you wanted to change this surface of reference, click on this. Now this is surface of reference. OK. And click on this preview. Here unbend is generated like this. Click on this green tick mark, and now we have to create one cutout on this sheet. Click on this sketch, select this plane, click on sketch, click on this sketch view, and now take this line command. Either you can take this center rectangle and you can draw it from over here like this. OK. And now take this circle, draw it from this to this point, and take this trim command or delete segment command and trim this much portion and this much portion like this. And now select this offset. Before select this offset, close this, select this geometry which has been drawn by me like this. Select this and click on the offset, and next put enter offset in the direction of the arrow. OK. So put 5, click on this green tick mark. Here offset is generated. Next click on control, select this and click on the chain or enter offset distance in the direction of arrow. OK. Put 5 over here, click on this green tick mark, and next click again on this edge and enter offset distance 5. Click on green tick mark. OK. Now close this and press cursor and adjust the position and location of this like this. Take this line command again and draw it for closing this geometry, for making the closed loop drawing. Join this also, press on cursor, click on OK. Now here geometry is created for cutout. So for that, click on this extrude. OK. Now change this direction, or from here you can select this for the removing of the material. Like this, material has been removed. Click on this green tick mark. Okay, now again click on this bend back feature. Okay, now here you can observe, click on this preview. Now bend back feature is generated. Our object has taken this bend back feature as previous bend, okay, with this cutout. Now but I would like to this middle portion to be straight or fixed or to be flattened. You can make the changes in this like this. I will show you. Click on this resume edit, and here bend, from this bend control group, here are the two options, contour 1 and contour 2. Okay, now just adjust this drawing like this. Just go put your cursor over contour 1. You can observe in drawing one rectangle is you can see here. Just put your cursor on over contour 1 like this. One rectangle is generated, you can observe in this drawing. If you put your cursor or move your cursor over this contour 2, another one is rectangle is created. Okay, here you can see, and you can control this middle portion. Okay, now from this contour 1 we have selected this bend contour. If you click on this keep flat, okay, so just click on this preview. You can see here this first portion of this middle part is as flat, and again resume it, go to bend control and click on this contour 2, okay, like this, and keep as flat. Okay, now this middle portion, from here this rectangle was there here, so that portion is also became flat. You can see preview from here like this. Okay, in this way you can change this direction of the bends by using this bend back feature. Okay, click on again on this resume edit, this bend control, click on this contour 1. Okay, so if I select this bend contour and see the preview of that, preview is like this. This first first rectangle of this middle portion is flat. I have selected this as this should be as a flat. Okay, so this first portion is flat. Again edit it, click on bend control, click on contour 2, click on bend contour and see the preview like this. Okay, again edit it, click on bend control, and for contour 2 keep as a flat. Okay, this is the change we can made in this drawing by using this bend back feature. Okay, so this is all about this, how to use this bend back feature from this model tree. Just go to model tree and right click on this bend back and click on edit. You can edit it again like this. Here are the references. From here you can remove this reference, right click on this and remove. Okay, you can select this surface as a reference and see the preview of that like this, and again click on this edit. We have completed this reference also, bend control also. Okay, this is all about this bend back feature. So if you like it, so hit the bell icon and like and share your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much friend for watching this video.